Welcome to the historically accurate princess dances. Today I am doing the Book of Love, the song Live Life, and the line dance that goes with it. I am dressed as the Queen of Souls, or the Queen of the Dead. So come on and join us for this wonderful little easy line dance. And remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all our fun films at www.adventuresindance.com. Step 1. This dance is based on a cha-cha rhythm. So we're going to do side steps right and left with a cha-cha rhythm. It looks like this. Side right, close left, side right, close left, side right. Side left, close right, side left, close right, side left. The rhythm is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 2, forward rock and lock step forward. It looks like this. Forward right, replace back left, turn 1/4, turn to your right. Forward, close, forward. The rhythm will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 3 is a rock step forward and a coaster step. It looks like this. Left, right, back together, forward. Same rhythm we've been emphasizing today, or 1, 2, 3, and 4. Repeat from the beginning until the end of the song. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all our fun films at www.adventuresindance.com. All together, it looks like this. Celebrate the Day of the Dead. I love to dance, so I looked up this fun line dance to live life from the Book of Life movie. Enjoy learning to dance with La Muerte for Day of the Dead, the Live Life line dance. This dance is inspired by the Day of the Dead. This is a Mexican holiday with Mesoamerican and Spanish roots. It is celebration of family who have crossed to the other side. Ancient cultures celebrated the thinning of the veil between the worlds in the fall with bonfires and candles. Mesoamerica, the dead were celebrated in August. The Aztecs would leave food and water on the graves of their ancestors to aid in their journey to the afterlife. The Catholic Church took up this tradition and celebrates All Souls Day and All Saints Day. In medieval Spain, they would celebrate it by decorating graves with flowers and leaving bread and wine for the dead. The Day of the Dead is a celebration of family who have crossed over to the other side. Traditions include elements of wind with paper cutouts, water, a pitcher of water to quench the thirst of the deceased, fire, candles, and earth, flowers, and food. Family would get together to remember their ancestors and celebrate life. It has grown to include parades and other festivities. In Aztec tradition, Michicalantlalal is a goddess of the realm of the dead and keeper of the bones of the deceased. She was depicted with a skull-like face. When Spanish invaded, they brought Catholicism with them. With it came the transformation of this ancient Aztec goddess into Santa Muerte, goddess of the dead, protector of souls, justice, and healing. According to the Book of Life wiki, La Muerte was modeled after Santa Muerte.
The plague in the Middle Ages caused many to bend a knee at the grave. St. Cian's even wrote the Dance of the Dead to commemorate those who passed. Folkloric groups keep traditional dance alive, celebrating El Dia de los Muertos. One tradition is Zatolo dance, dead dance procession. For my video, we chose a line dance to Live Life from the movie The Book of Life. Remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all our fun films at www.adventuresindance.com.